In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget with Monarch Money. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so if you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to streamline your budgeting process, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, head over to Monarch Money's website and click on the budget section. Monarch Money is a powerful financial planning tool, and accessing the budget feature is the first step toward taking control of your expenses. Once you're in, you'll be introduced to a budgeting interface that allows you to categorize your expenses to gain a better understanding of where your money is going. Monarch Money employs the 50-30-20 rule as a foundation for its budgeting tool. This method suggests dividing your after-tax income into three primary categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or paying off debt. You can easily apply this rule by editing the budget categories and grouping them accordingly. Take a moment to look through these categories to see how they're structured. You will notice a drop-down menu that includes fixed categories. Fixed expenses might include items such as rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, and insurance premiums. These are costs that typically remain consistent month over month, providing stability to your budget. Make sure you are accurately categorizing these expenses, as they are integral to a strong financial foundation. Next up is flexible categories, which might include things such as groceries, dining out, and entertainment. These expenses can vary greatly from month to month, requiring you to keep a more watchful eye on them. It's important to monitor these categories closely to ensure your spending aligns with your financial goals, especially if you're aiming to adjust your expenditure to stay within the 30% wants portion of the 50-30-20 rule. Now let's explore non-monthly categories, which are essential for capturing those expenses that pop up periodically rather than monthly. Think of these as annual payments like car registration fees or holiday expenses that can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. By including them in this section, you're able to anticipate and allocate funds ahead of time, avoiding budget surprises down the road. Finally, you'll come across the categories of goals. These are crucial for reminding yourself of what you're working towards financially. Whether your goals include saving for a vacation, setting aside a college fund, or paying off loans, defining these targets and assigning specific amounts will help you remain focused and motivated in your budgeting journey. With Monarch Money's budget features, you have the power to customize and track your financial picture comprehensively. By doing so, you'll better manage your finances and make informed decisions moving forward. Take some time to navigate through each section and make any necessary adjustments tailored to your personal financial situation. And that's how to set up a budget with Monarch Money as a beginner. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more financial tips and tutorials.